Om Sai Ram. If we truly believe in Sri Sai Baba and surrender ourselves at his feet, he always keeps us close, protects us, and blesses us without even us needing to ask. Baba knows everything about his devotees, our needs, our struggles, our desires. Yet he gives not just what we ask, but often much more at the right time and in the best way. In today's episode, I would like to share the divine experience of a Sai devotee from Telecom Nagar, Hyderabad, Srimati Sri Lakshmi ji, whose life is a living example of unconditional faith and Baba's boundless grace. Om Sai Ram, welcome to Shirdi Sai Baba's Satsang. This devotee, Srimati Sri Lakshmi ji, has been worshipping Baba with deep devotion for the past 18 to 20 years. She says her entire family is devoted to Baba. They have a simple but powerful practice. Whenever they face any problem, they immediately begin reading Sri Sai Satcharita, and by Baba's grace, the problems start to resolve. Every day without fail, they perform Dhuparati, evening Aarti for Baba at home, and their devotion is not driven by desire or request. They worship Baba purely out of love and faith. One of Baba's 11 assurances, if you look to me, I look to you, has always been their guiding principle. They believe that Baba knows when to bless, and he always does at the right time, even if he never asks. Now let me share a divine Leela that Srimati Sri Lakshmi ji experienced. After returning from a Shirdi trip, as they were performing the Dhuparati one evening, a very tall lady dressed in pure white clothes suddenly came to their home and asked for just 2 rupees. The family was in the middle of Aarti, so Sri Lakshmi ji politely requested her to wait until it was over. But the lady insisted she couldn't wait and wanted exactly 2 rupees to have tea. Sri Lakshmi ji offered to make tea for her, but the woman declined, again repeating she wanted only 2 rupees. Eventually, her husband asked her to give the amount and send the lady off. So Sri Lakshmi ji stepped out and gave her 2 rupees at the gate. She noticed something unusual. The lady was extremely tall, had a milky white complexion, and divine grace radiated from her face. Intrigued, she kept watching as the woman walked away, but within moments she vanished from sight. She immediately asked neighbors and passerby if they had seen such a woman nearby, but no one had seen her. That is when the realization dawned upon her and her family. It was Baba himself who had come during the Aarti to bless them in a unique form. He did not ask for money or gifts. He asked only for 2 rupees, which is symbolic of Shraddha and Saburi, faith and patience, the 2 pillars of Baba's teachings. Since that day, their lives transformed. Everything started falling into place. Daughters' marriages were settled. Peace and prosperity came into the home, and Baba's presence was felt in every aspect of their life. Sri Lakshmi ji believes that because they worship Baba selflessly, without constantly asking for anything, he has always taken care of them without fail. She says, it is not necessary to ask Baba for anything. Even when we don't, he knows what we need and gives it to us at the perfect time. Her experience is a reminder for all of us that devotion does not need demands. It only needs trust, love, and patience. So let us continue worshipping Baba with unconditional love and remember his 2 golden teachings, Shraddha and Saburi. I pray to Baba to shower his abundant blessings on all of us and guide us on the path of light. We'll meet again in the next episode with another divine Leela of our beloved Sri Sai Baba. Om Sai Ram.